Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo. You are here because you probably have a lot of manual work on your spreadsheets. Let's make a change. Sheetgo will help you automate all of your workflows by connecting your spreadsheets. But what exactly is a connection? It is a connection made between two different spreadsheets. You have a source spreadsheet and a destination spreadsheet. Something else you can do using Sheetgo is create a master sheet. So this means that you create a connection between spreadsheets from multiple sources into one destination spreadsheet. And this is called a consolidation. So Sheetgo will automate all of that manual work. And after your first 4 connections, you can already save up to 1 hour of work per week. And these connections take 5 minutes or less to create. But let me show you how it works. To create your first connection, simply open a new spreadsheet and give it a name. I'll call this one First Connection. To open Sheetgo, go in the menu bar to Add-ons, Sheetgo, and Start. If you haven't installed Sheetgo, please take a look at my other videos. A sidebar will automatically pop up on the right side of your screen, and simply by clicking this plus button, we can start connecting. As I mentioned before, this spreadsheet is always your destination spreadsheet, the one you are working in. So now we have to select a data source. Simply type in the name of the file you want to import. And here you can choose which tab of that spreadsheet you want to import information from. I'll take Summary. In the settings, you can give this connection a name, Summary Sales Rep 1. There we go. You can even have Sheetgo automatically update these connections. So let's enable this button. You can choose between hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, but let's keep it on daily. And you can choose the time as well. Midnight to 1 a.m., that's fine. Every morning when we go to work, our spreadsheet will be automatically updated by Sheetgo that night. So let's save the connection and see what happens. A new tab will automatically be created at the bottom of your screen. And here we go, we have made our first connection. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and make sure to look at my other videos.